Imagine a world where you don't need a phone. No screens, no scrolling, just pure AI-powered assistants guiding you through the day. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, I just lived it. For a full week, I ditched my smartphone and relied entirely on AI wearables to handle everything from calls to navigation, health tracking, and even real-time translations. And here's the wildest part. By 2027, over 1 billion people are expected to be using AI wearables daily, with experts predicting they could eventually replace smartphones. But is that really possible? Was this experiment freeing or a complete disaster? Here's everything I learned. First, I needed something to replace my phone's core functions: calls, messages, and quick AI assistance. That's where the Humane AI Pin came in. This tiny, screen-free device clipped onto my shirt and worked entirely through AI-powered voice commands and a built-in projector. I could send texts, check my schedule, and even get real-time insights without ever touching a screen. It felt like stepping into the future. But there were major downsides. The battery life was terrible, and in noisy environments, voice recognition struggled. Still, it gave me a taste of what a world without screens could be like. Next, I had to replace my phone's camera, search engine, and navigation, which led me to the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. These AI-powered glasses acted like a personal assistant for my eyes, letting me ask questions, get real-time translations, and even see navigation overlays directly in my vision. The best part? I could take photos and videos hands-free just by saying, "Capture this." It felt like having a real-life JARVIS guiding me through my day. But privacy was a major concern. Walking around with a hidden camera felt awkward, and the battery only lasted a few hours, making it unreliable for long days out. Since I couldn't constantly check my phone, I needed a way to stay connected without distractions. Enter the Muse Ring. A minimalist AI-powered smart ring that handled contactless payments, notifications, and basic health tracking. It was so lightweight that I forgot I was even wearing it. But as much as I loved its simplicity, it wasn't a true phone replacement. There were no calls, no deep AI interaction, just quick, efficient functions designed to keep me informed without overwhelming me. For health tracking and on-the-go productivity, I turned to the Apple Watch Series 11 or Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. This wasn't just about counting steps. AI-driven health insights completely changed the game. The watch didn't just track my activity, it predicted when I needed to move, monitored my stress levels, and even suggested the best recovery times for workouts. If any wearable came closest to replacing my phone, this was it. I could call, text, and even get AI-powered summaries of my emails just by lifting my wrist. It was fast, efficient, and incredibly useful. But what about voice assistants? That's where the Audicon More AI earbuds came in. They didn't just play music, they provided real-time AI support, filtered background noise, and even translated conversations on the fly. The best part? I could access my AI assistant anywhere, asking questions and getting insights without ever needing a screen. But there was one major downside. If I lost my smart glasses and my AI pin, I was left with only voice commands, which wasn't ideal in every situation. So, after a full week without my phone, here's what I realized. I barely missed it. These AI wearables handled about 80% of my daily tasks, from communication to navigation to productivity. But were there flaws? Absolutely. Battery life was a nightmare. AI still makes mistakes. And for anything more complex, like deep work, editing, or social media, I still needed a traditional device. So, can AI wearables completely replace smartphones? Not yet. But in 5 years, it's looking more and more possible. Would you ditch your phone for AI-powered wearables? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this experiment, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-driven deep dives. Thanks for watching.